population as well.
I'm Allison Keyes in Washington.
With a mild pattern continuing, 60s to low 80s with morning fog and clouds along the coast. A little bit of a dip in temperatures Saturday, 4 or 5 degrees, but it'll rebound on Sunday. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on KCBS. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system equipment. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have received timely emergency information. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Okay.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency such as severe weather, flooding, or 911 system outage, official messages would have followed the alert tone.